Airgrams for Liberty. To Thanos Band from Sammy. I'm glad there's only one band playing the Firebird. To Noah, the best drum major in the family. From Mom, Dad, Colette, and Olivia, we're proud of all your accomplishments this year. Best of luck on your next chapter. Remember, wherever life takes you, we'll always have Teletubbies. To Bo, Blake, and Evan from Mommy, I love you. To Lexi Lou from Mom, Dad, Lee, and Logan, keep being amazing. Rocket Girl. To Tux from Luigi, see you at the Smash tournament tomorrow. To Michael from Mom and Dad, I can't believe it. 4 years already. You've been amazing. We're so proud of you.
Oh, wait.
To Michael Opalberry from your sister Marissa, you're the best trumpet player I know, and I know a lot of them.
I can get most of it.
To June Rudd from Papa, Mama, and Grandma, good luck on your final
I gotta stand up back there.
Thanks for the memories. You are our pride, joy, and treasure. To Genevieve from your parents, congrats on 4 great years with marching band. We are beyond proud of you. We love you, son. To Ariana Coscos from Isabel and Julian, so proud of your hard work. Keep it up. We love you. To Dylan from Mom and Dad, you did it. Senior year, last competition. We're extremely proud of you. We love you. To Ethan Bartu from Reggie, buy more cricket. To Ethan Bartu from Mom and Dad, play hard, march with precision. Love you. To Ethan Bartu from Larry, Jimmy wants his money. To Christina from Mom, so proud of you. Love you. To Danny from Elizabeth, I miss you, Watermelon. Have a fantastic competition. Hashtag Boris Never Say Die. To the band from Elizabeth, I'm proud of all your hard work. Get out there, show them what Sound of Liberty Marching Band can do. To Dion from Grandfather and Curtis from Hawaii, we're so proud of all you've accomplished. More continues. God bless. To Dion from Mom, congrats on your marching band journey. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Liberty staff and volunteers, for taking care of them. To Jade from Mom, Jade, the best drum major ever. Congrats on 4 years of so much blood, sweat, and tears. I love you more than anything you say. I win. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the next ensemble in preliminary competition from Henderson, the Sound of Liberty Marching Band. Performing their 2019 Pure Imagination. The Marching Band Open Series proud to present the Sound of Liberty Marching Band. gentlemen, the Sound of Liberty Marching Band.